So, welcome to Foreigner in the Philippines. So, we're having our dinner. So, since we don't have a dirty kitchen, so we're gonna have sinugbang baboy sa sin. Biniti lable.
Dugo.
Nakuta. Okay. So, that's our dinner. So, supposedly it should have some netting. You know, but then since we don't have that, and this is what we can, I find it that metal gigsin. So it's kind of sinugba in a different way. Choco.
Ito iko na lang to kay. Naman di po na isog ba pasigla ang naman di po na.
Sige. Hindi na basa? Basa? Dili. Muaso na. Ayun lang mo aso na. Muaso lagi na kay basa. Karira.
Ay, basa. Ingon na man dyan na siya.
Basa na ka nag-uwan. Saktura na oy sige ra nagsugnod. Nga. So we're planning to have a dirty kitchen, you know, which is in the end there. So that we could cook if using wood, and at the same time we could able to use also our gas cooker. Because I just really wanted to use the gas cooker separate to the house for safety purposes.
Tangga mga hidaan.
Kung ato puluwag ka. Ay, kung tinidor lang. O kutsara.